most of our cities, major cities, are living under a blanket of poisonous air. Millions of children are getting lung disease. Their future is being destroyed. People are getting cancer. Older people are struggling to breathe. So I think this is an issue where, everybody says government, opposition, fighting all the time. This is one issue where we can show the country that we can also plan and work together to solve something that is critical. I think the government should have a discussion in Parliament. We should all have a discussion in Parliament. And we should try and not make it a discussion where we are abusing you and you are abusing us. I think we should make it a discussion where we are participating, we are showing the country that on this fundamental issue there is agreement and the best minds are going to be put into place to solve this issue.
Thank you.
I think it would be good if we have a discussion, detailed discussion, and then the Prime Minister puts in place a plan for each city, methodical, systematic plan on how within the next 5 or 10 years, maybe we cannot resolve the problem, but how we are going to impact the problem and make life for our people easier.
And government from the day one had made our position very clear that on all important matters, government is ready to discuss and also to find out solutions, taking along the suggestions from all the members, including the principal opposition party led by Rahul Gandhi ji. So the matter was placed in the Business Advisory Committee as we had discussed about the election reforms, including the special intensive revision. Under the various laws, various rules, we will see how we will take up this discussion. But we will,
please,
the matter was brought in the BSC, so
if he is responding on during 0 hour, so you can understand.
Government is ready to discuss.
No, you can understand.
Government is always prepared to have discussion under any rule, but only what the point I want to make is, since the matter was brought in the BSC, we will come back and let us see how we can structure the discussion into, and then we are ready to take up this matter.